Potholes, both big and small, can be a bitch. If you do drive through one, check these following areas on your vehicle to make sure it didn't cause a problem that needs to be fixed. You'll thank me later. Number one, tires. Tires are meant to be the only part of your vehicle that touches the road, so it isn't a surprise that they're susceptible to pothole damage like sidewall bulges, tread separation, or flats. These can happen because potholes often have a hard edge that compresses the tire against the wheel on impact, slicing the rubber or snapping the belts that hold the tire together. Cars with low profile tires are particularly prone to pothole damage. Take it from me, I've learned from personal experience. Next, your wheels. Scraping your rims never looks good, but even the worst curb rash can't damage a wheel like a pothole can. Hard angles and potholes apply impact force to wheels in ways they weren't designed to handle, leading to bends, chips, or cracks. A bent wheel won't roll smoothly and may not be able to form an airtight seal with the tire. Chips are especially easy to notice since they look like a big chunk missing from the rim where the rim and the tire should be meeting. However, cracks can be subtle hairline fractures along the wheel circumference or in one of the spokes. Sudden jarring hit against potholes can cause a wide variety of suspension problems, including misalignment, broken ball joints, and damaged shocks or struts. A suspension bent out of alignment can usually be put back together by a qualified mechanic, but until it's fixed, you may notice your steering wheel is off center, your car pulls to one side, the handling feels loose, and your tires wear unevenly. Unusual vibrations and sounds, wandering steering wheel, poor ride quality, and vehicles leaning to one side can indicate a broken ball joint, struts, shocks, which usually needs to be replaced outright. Since exhaust pipes run along the undercarriage of a car, they're a perfect target for potholes. Deep potholes can cause a car to bottom out and scrape the undercarriage against the pavement, potentially damaging or denting or ripping a hole in the exhaust pipes, muffler, or catalytic converter. You may experience a loss of power or hear noises if there's a hole in your exhaust system, but perhaps worse is the fact that your car will spew out harmful pollutants if it's unchecked. What's more, a leaky pipe can let exhaust fumes into your car, posing a potential serious health hazard. Then there's the body. Generally speaking, the lower the car is to the ground, the better it handles, but cars that sacrifice ride height in pursuit of sportiness are more likely to be damaged by potholes. In addition to the issues previously mentioned, potholes can scrape against low-hanging bumpers or side skirts. While this type of damage is usually cosmetic and doesn't affect the safety or performance, it's still something that drivers who care about their car would run to avoid. The good news is that most potholes aren't big or deep enough to pose a threat to your vehicle. With correctly inflated tires and aligned suspension, chances are it'll roll right through them. However, as seasons change and potholes grow, you need to stay alert and avoid them as best you can. If you don't, you'll risk expensive car part repairs and replacements. So what do you think? Anything you want to add to this video? If so, subscribe and leave it in the comment section below, and we'll continue the conversation there. Until next time, I'm Dave Erickson. Thanks for watching. Adios.
Thanks for watching. Please click subscribe and give us a thumbs up. See you next time.